So let's look at basically how to generate your data set from your MSSQL database. By just scripting the data together with the tables or the objects. All right, so first and foremost, you have to open your MSSQL platform as you can see. Then from the database that you want to pick your data set from, for instance, this one that is saying DB, you just simply right click on it, go to task, and then from task you go to generate scripts. Okay, so when you click on generate script, you wait for the pop-up screen or window. So now you move to next, and then you wait a bit whilst it's generating. It will ask you to select the database object or the tables, specifically the one that you want the data inside to be generated. So this one is going to help you generate the script together with the data, and then you can simply copy the data that you have generated, run it on any other MSSQL platform, and get the tables and then the data in it also created. So from here we have script entire database and all database objects, or select specific database object. We go for the select specific, then we have the option to select which tables that we want. Okay, so at this point we want all the tables here. We basically click on the table, then we move to next. Okay, so here we have an advanced option here. Okay, this is very important, so you click on advanced, and then you can see that when you scroll through, you have a place that says schema and then script. So let's see. Okay, so here you can see that type of data script. It says schema only. So you are going to click on it and say select schema and data. And then you select OK. So this one is going to select both the schema, that is the database table structures, okay, and then also the data inside of that particular tables. Now you look for a place where you are going to save it. So I'm going to save this file inside of my desktop. So I'll just basically look for desktop and give it a name. Let's say script. I have a script already, so I'll say script 5. Just click on save, next, and then generate. So as you can see, it's in progress. Within some few minutes everything will be done, and I will have my database object, that is the tables, created together with the data inside of that tables. So basically this is how you can generate database object in MSSQL together with its data. Thank you. And if you have not subscribed, this is a channel that provides education for you all. Just click on the subscription button for a new video anytime we post an update. Thank you and have a nice day.